Good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about cleaning guest room procedure. Firstly, room attendant must make sure all supply and equipment are in the trolley. Put trolley next to the door. Check for double lock or do not disturb. Sign if there is none, knock the door and announce housekeeping. Record the time you entered the room in room occupancy report and bring along the maid's cart caddy. Make sure all air conditioning and lighting are turned on. If there is fuse bulb, replace it with the new one immediately. Open window to air the room. Collect all rubbish. Remove all food tray and put outside so that the room service will pick up them up. Check lost and found items. Change all the linen such as bedsheet, pillowcase, bath towel, face towel, hand towel, and bath towel. Gather all soiled linen and take them immediately to the cart. Make the bed and clean the bathroom. Dusting from high places first. Reduce all missing amenities and supplies. Vacuum from inside to outside the room and spray the air freshener. Turn off all the power and fill all window curtain. Lastly, close and lock the door. Dusting procedure. Spray dusting solutions and dust all items on the wall such as lamp, pictures, frame and light bulb. Dust and polish mirror. Use glass cleaner and on a clean glass cloth and wipe the mirror. Check all the window and clean with glass cleaner if necessary. Dust and clean the telephone. Check the receiver by listening to the tone. Dust the television set and front of the television set with glass cleaner. Dust each table, all woods or chrome surface on chair. Beginning from top, clean the closet. Make sure all some dates are removed on the surface. Clean and wipe all switches. Clean both sides of the door. Use furniture polish for wooden and chromy and glass cleaner for mirror and window. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com.